Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 3 to 9, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, let's see. Gemini, what's coming to you this week? What is the overall energy ng mga Gemini for this week? You have the Justice card. So, this is bringing balance into your life. I think meron ka rin nire-reassess na situation ngayon. You are making a decision whether magsistay ka or aalis ka or gagawin mo to o hindi. So, you are in the process of nag-iisip ka talaga ng maigi. Tinitingnan mo yung pros and cons para makapag-decide ka ng best for you. Your challenge is the moon. Yung iba sa inyo siguro hindi masyadong nagtitiwala sa inyong instinct, sa inyong intuition. Maaring nagda-doubt ka sa iba mong kakayanan. Maaring meron ka na mismong parang alam mo na kung ano yung sagot sa tanong mo pero hindi ka masyadong nagtitiwala sa instinct mo. So, minsan ganun kasi, lalo na kung ikaw yung tipong may realistic, logical na mag-isip, no? Initingnan mo kung practical ba to pag ito yung ginawa ko or makakatulong ba to sa akin. Parang masyadong advance or a few steps forward na yung mga iniisip mo na maaring nagiging dahilan para hindi ka makapag-decide agad-agad. Okay? So, with the moon here, maaring you are being asked to trust yourself, trust your instinct. Ano sinasabi ng iyong kutob? Anong sinasabi ng gut feel mo? Oo, yun yung tutulong sa'yo to make a decision. Then, what is your opportunity? The opportunity is the Queen of Swords. Some of you, maaring mas magiging maingat, no, sa mga gagawin yung steps. You may be cutting off people in your life, no, mga connections, friendships, or maaring meron kang iiwasan or aalisan na isang community that you feel like hindi ka na nagre-resonate with the community and you feel na hindi ka na nag-grow doon. Or even a person that is close to you. You may be cutting connections or, iiwas. What is your blessing? The blessing is the 9 of Cups. Happiness, peace of mind, that is your blessing. So, the moment na makapag-decide ka what's best for you, nagtiwala ka sa sarili mong instincts, intuition mo, ano yung sinasabi ng gut feel mo, and you disconnect from people who are just bringing drama into your life, no? Maaring mas makakaramdam ka ngayon ng peace of mind, happiness, fulfillment sa buhay mo. And you also have a wish na matutupad. So, tignan natin in what area of life yan. 11th house. 11th house is about your hopes and dreams. So, pangarap talaga. No? Meron kang pangarap na matutupad. Maari ring you will be more popular. Maraming mas makakakilala sa'yo na magle-leverage din ng iyong growth, ng inyong health, ng inyong wealth. Okay? So, maaring mas magiging masagana ka sa mga susunod na araw. No? Dahil na rin sa mga pagbabagong gagawin mo at finally, makakapag-desisyon ka na at hindi ka na nagdadalawang isip. So, let's see your money, career, finances, message, energies. You have the Ace of Cups. You have a new inspiration pagdating sa trabaho. Maaring merong new source of happiness, new beginning, a new job, a new career na talagang mas magagawa mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo because this is your passion. You are passionate about the job, the work, the business that you have. You also have the 6 of Wands. So it means na there's going to be a lot of success dito sa nagsisimula na bagong venture, bagong trabaho, bagong business, bagong source of income. I see you becoming more popular, no? There's some sort of popularity talaga na maaring ikaw ay nasa social media, you are a content creator, influencer, You will gain more followers, mas maraming followers, views, subscribers. So, you will get a lot of attention ngayong week na to. This makes sense kasi Jupiter is in the sign of Gemini ngayon. So, binibless niyan ang energy sa mga Gemini. The way you communicate and you express yourself, mas marami ka ngayong ideas na pwedeng gawin to make things happen for you para mas maging maunlad ka sa career mo, sa trabaho mo. And you also have the Queen of Wands and the Seven of Swords. So, pay attention na lang sa mga taong mga naiinggit, no, sa tabi-tabi. You will feel them, no? Mararamdaman mo kung sino to mga to. Pwede kasing malalapit na yan sa'yo. It's like they don't want you to be successful, or ayaw nila na nakikita na ganun ka, no? So, huwag mo na lang silang pansinin. Mag-focus ka na lang sa goals mo, sa achievements mo. Dahil pag pinansin mo sila, baka lalo lang na maramdaman nila na importante sila sa buhay mo. Okay, so merong advancement dito, career growth. May career growth expected yan sa trabaho, sa career ninyo. Meron din kayong mga paghahandaan ngayon. Maaring meron kayong project this week, or even yung inyong schedule, kailangan mas maayos nyo yan dahil marami kayong kailangang asikasuhin ngayong week na to in terms of your career, your business. Ayan, being detail-oriented daw is very important, no? Lalo na kung ikaw ay nagsisimula ng isang negosyo. So, dapat lahat yan. Alam mo yung pasikot-sikot ng pinapasok mo, no, na negosyo. And also, if this is a new job, a new opportunity, career na nasa iyo, ito rin yung time na kailangan mag-follow ka doon sa mga requirements na kailangan na ibigay mo. Like, you need to deliver what is required or what is expected sa'yo. Sa love life naman, you have the Temperance card, you have the Ten of Swords, and the Four of Wands. So, I'm sensing freedom here, no? So, maaring you are freeing yourself from a situation, a toxic situation. Maaring, parang blessing in disguise para sa iba sa inyo. Pwedeng merong separation. Pero the moment na you separate from this person na hindi totoo sa'yo, na manloloko, cheater, ganyan, unfaithful, the moment na i-disconnect mo yung sarili mo dyan, mag-separate ka dyan, mas maraming blessings na darating sa inyo. That happens kasi, ibig sabihin nun, may mga nega energies around you eh. And the moment na tanggalin mo yan sa buhay mo, dun ka mas makaka-attract ng mga positive energies. Yes, you are also manifesting the right person, no, para sa buhay mo. May wedding pa. Someone na magbibigay sa'yo ng assurance, ng stability sa relationship. Maari ding meron talagang magsimulang wedding preparations for some of you. Pwedeng mabilis lang yung mga pangyayari, no? After a separation from someone, maaring merong darating na person na you feel like this is the one. Siya na yung soulmate mo, and maaring mauwi siya sa seryosong commitment right away. So, that's going to be very exciting for you. Let's see what else. The bigger picture, ayan. So, take a step back and gather your thoughts and feelings. So, this makes sense with the, Temperance card. So, ibig sabihin lang yan, hindi ka kaagad-agad magre-react sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi worth it ng oras at panahon mo. So, parang you will choose your battles, okay? And then, you have Dog, Divine Service. How can you serve yourself better? So, I feel like you will also focus on yourself, taking care of yourself. Maraming paraan para alagaan natin ang ating mga sarili. Pwedeng sa ating physical, mental, emotional. Kaya nga yung iba sa inyo, part ng pag-aalaga sa sarili is yung pagre-release ninyo ng anything that is toxic around you. Pagdi-disconnect sa mga taong puro drama lang sa buhay ang dinadala sa inyo. So, you want, parang dumidistansya ka, no? You are taking a step back para makita mo talaga yung scenario, makita mo talaga yung sitwasyon, kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin. Kasi pag masyado kang nandun, nakatutok ka doon, andyan ka mismo sa gulo, hindi mo nakikita yung bigger picture. So for some of you, you're going to take a step back at makikita mo kung ano yung pinanggagalingan ng problema, and you will be able to resolve that. Maayos mo yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye!